So today Tiffany invited me to an art show kind of close to where her apartment is, so about to head over there and meet up with her. I'm a little bit late. I kind of got caught up playing some Super Smash Brothers, so sorry, Tiff. But first, I need to get a coffee. We out here going to the art show. This is a huge cruise ship. It's huge, huge. We're about to go into this art show. We think that there's probably no photography allowed, so we're just gonna put this away and catch you later. We just left the art show. I could have taken my camera in there, but I just decided to, you know, absorb it in person. There's some nice artwork. I got a lot of business cards. Now we're going to go get some ramen at my favorite place, Noodle Bar. So we didn't end up doing that. Noodle Bar is closed due to a pending fire inspection, so we're just gonna go to Bear Burger and get a burger, I guess. Well, Tiffany's choice. Also have to go home and actually like charge my shoes, which first world problem, huh? Definitely gonna stop by Milk Bar to get some cookies first. Definitely gonna grab a coffee before I actually get there. I like coffee a lot. Anyway, home now. This is filmed on a different day, so whatever happened before this, I don't even remember. Something happened. Sorry. Tomorrow, I can almost guarantee you Tiffany's gonna text me and we're gonna hang out, and she's moving Saturday, so I think she wants me to help pack either tomorrow or Saturday, so definitely gonna vlog that. So, I've always been into tech reviews and just product reviews. Anytime I want to buy something, I go to YouTube and I check out a tech review or just a review. I kind of want to, I guess, give back in a way and do my own reviews of products that I like using. I have tried it before and just didn't really have my act together, so hopefully this is a step in the right direction. I hope you at least enjoy this review. Here we are, we're doing this now. This is the Keychron K1 keyboard. This is the 104 key RGB keyboard for Mac and Windows. It's compatible with both. It's made out of aircraft grade aluminum. It's got a 2000 milliamp hour rechargeable lithium polymer battery. The keyboard sports an awesome ultra thin low profile blue mechanical switch on each key, and it even has a dedicated assistant button so you can call up Cortana or Siri anytime you want. This keyboard works with both Mac OS, Windows, Android, and iOS, and it connects to up to 3 different devices, all via Bluetooth. You can also connect it to your devices with this USB-C port here, and that is also how you charge it. The main thing I like about it is that it also has a bunch of RGB modes, 18 types to be exact, and you can toggle them through this light button here. Some of these are key activated, So you need to like push the button when you want it to activate. The keyboard also comes with a keycap remover, which is a nice little handy tool, plus some extra keycaps so you can switch out between Mac and Windows format. So if you are interested in checking out more about these keyboards, you can find the link in the description. This is not sponsored. They didn't pay me to say this. I bought this with my own money, and I get nothing if you go to that link and buy it. I'm just reviewing this product because I've enjoyed using it so far. I've had it for a couple of weeks now, and I really like it. Unbox Therapy did a review of it as well. I'll also leave that in the link below. So I think with that, I'm going to call it a vlog. I'm trying to do some new things, different content. Might do some sneaker stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed because it's late.